When you log into the new SKED app, you'll be able to see all of your chiropractic appointments that your clinic has built out from you directly in your Appointments tab in the SKED app, located here and here. From this screen, you'll be able to view more details regarding your specific appointment. If you need to make changes, you can always select the Reschedule tab in the lower right-hand corner of your SKED app. SKED always encourages you to reschedule, if need be, to a new time that same day that your appointment was originally scheduled for. SKED does its best to encourage you to keep on track with your clinic's recommendations that you've agreed upon and moving forward so you don't fall behind. The colors represent wait times based upon your office's current schedule in the clinic. Green, yellow, and red represent low, medium, or high possible wait times. By selecting a new date and time, you'll be encouraged to hit save in the upper right-hand corner. Once it's changed and updated on your SKED appointment tab, it will also be updated directly in your clinic's EHR system, saving you both a phone call confirming that change.